Fellas are doing a team bonding exercise. They're trying to punch out 500 push-ups, 500 sit-ups amongst themselves. A bit of fun and a heap of conditioning work, building up for Europe 2019. This rugby tour is a great opportunity for everyone that's involved, not just the players, but the staff, the coaches, managers, and the medical team. So the reason why we're traveling to Europe with these group of players is to show them what is available out there in world rugby and that there's alternate pathways. So in terms of our ProPhysio Plus responsibility is trying to communicate with coaches and the trainers, the S&C guys. A few of the guys that are carrying injuries from rugby season in 2018, we're assisting with rehabilitation programs. We're in this window where the athletes are in off-season, so they've had a long year. I think a big emphasis here with physio working with the S&C coaches and the coaches and managers to educate the players and parents that there is such thing as overload. You can do too much. You do have to have ample rest so that you can allow these niggly injuries to recover. Have a good break over Christmas and get up and go again early in 2019.